Hi friends, welcome back to Angular tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn about the Angular services. Okay, so Angular service is a stateless and it provides very useful functions. So these functions can be invoked from any component of Angular like controllers, directives. So basically service helps to divide the web application into small part, okay, in different logical units which can be reused anywhere from your application. So let's create service. So just go to the terminal. For Windows users, just go to the CMD. So here I'm using the Ubuntu system, that's the reason, and I'm using the terminal. So to create any service we need to use ng for Angular, g for generate, and service. Okay, and I want to set the name of the service. So suppose the service name is users. Okay, simple. So you can see the service is created. So basically one file is service.ts, that is the TypeScript file, that is the main file, and another spec is also created. Okay, so if we just go to the browser, we can see inside the src app, and we can see there is users.service.ts. So a service is created. The use of service is too much, means suppose Angular is a front-end language. Okay, so we can use any front-end type things, or we can manage any DOM elements, or many things we can do, but we cannot use database. Okay, so for this reason we need any backend language. For any PHP or Java, you can see anything. So, okay, so when we just going to interact with any backend, so we need to use the APIs. So basically service is responsible for API writing. Okay, so inside the service we will write API. So we will discuss later when we discuss about the API related tutorial. So we will provide this tutorial also, but for now the basic understanding purpose, what is service and how to use this. So here is my new service created. So now this is the TypeScript file. Suppose I want to return some data. So here we have not a backend data, so I am just creating for my own data. Suppose I am creating a JSON type data, so I am creating any function. So suppose I'm writing the get all user. So this is my function, and here I want to return something. So any records, suppose inside the array I will write something. So is the object, and inside the object I will suppose pass name equal to John. So right here one caps in proper way. Okay, and suppose the age is 32, and the email is suppose john@email.com. So this is for one simple data, for an example to understanding these things. So I can create many of these things. So I am creating this. So I am creating one more and one more. So just creating the three things, or you can see there's four things. Okay, so for John, and the next is suppose David, and the age of David is 30, and right here David. In this way write the Jack. So Jack is 20, and email, that is jack@gmail.com, and right here Alisa. So Alisa is 40, so right here Alisa. Okay, so there are four records. So we'll call these things from the app component.ts, that is the default component file. When you create any Angular application, we will get the app component. So this is my app component.ts file, that is the main TypeScript file. So to use this service, here I need to import these things first. So how we can import this? So right here import, and here we will write the service name, that is users service. So this is the class name, user service, and it is from the path. So we need to provide the path. So here we will write dot slash users dot service. Okay, so this is the path. So if we just go to see users dot service, under the app. Okay, so this is for /user service. So in this way we need to write. And next things, we need to use this user service. So here I will create a constructor. So right here constructor, and inside the constructor we can use any private, you can use public also. So here I'm writing any private, and after that users. So right here in this way, users dot user service. Okay, so in this way you need to write, sorry, here will be not dot, it will be colon. Okay, and now I will call the service using this user. So here I will write this dot users. Okay, so here I am taking this dot all users. Okay, and I will create a property for this. So all users equal to by default array. Okay, so by default it's blank array. So this all users equal to this users dot the function name. So get all user. Okay, so you can check there is get all user, this is the function name. So we are calling in this way. Okay, and as we are getting this all users inside this app component.ts, so we can use this inside the app component.html. So just go to the app component.html. So I want to print this result from app component.html. Okay, so let's create a table to see it more clean. So there is 4 records. So I am creating table here, and inside the table there is thead and thead th. So for th there is name and age and email. Okay, so right here age and email. Okay, and here we'll write tbody, and inside the tbody we will write tier, and inside the tier we will use td. Okay, so in this way, so just use these things. So we will create a for loop for this. So right here star ng for to execute for loop, and let suppose u of all user. Okay, so all user, this is the all user, this property I'm getting from app component.html. So we will get access using this u. So right here u dot name, so this name is for this. So now age and email, so same way write this. So write age and email. Okay, and I am giving a property that is border equal to 1. Okay, so let's, if you just go to the browser, we can see the result is printing. So this result are coming from service. So it's cool. So if we get any data inside the service, we can use in the any component. So I am using here inside the default component. You can create your own component and you can manage these data as per your own requirement. Okay, so you can understand how service is important while you knowing Angular. Okay, so when we accessing API, we will create a function inside the service and we will call to the backend function and we will return the data in same way. For now I am using the hard-coded data. Okay, so this is all about service, and if you have any queries about this video, please comment in below comment section. So next day I will going to show you how to integrate bootstrap inside your Angular application. So this is the most important thing. So when you are going to use any front-end application, you need to use the bootstrap also. So don't miss that video. Please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.